rough cut number 2. Gotta clean some of this up. Get it to fit in there. Kind of show you what I'm doing here. So I'm just trying to kind of match the profile of the control arm. And, you know, a little bit of overlap on the edge is good. Obviously, it's not flat, but like on the other one, I just welded it here up until where it starts to bend, and then do the same on the other side, and then I just hit it down with a hammer so this part comes down, and I weld that. And before I hit it down, I'll try and take a torch and I'll heat it up along a line here. It's just to make this part softer, and it'll make the metal want to bend down more. So I'll kind of show you both sides. That's all I'm really doing. And if you got a little bit more that you want to take off like I just did, you just put the piece you got up to whatever you're trying to match, and you mark with a Sharpie where you want to grind off, and then you go grind it off. I have gas, so that's the end result. Get some nice splattery slag on there. But yeah, so now we can heat that up and bend it down. Ideally with this you would have a oxyacetylene setup to where you get this a lot hotter, and you'd actually see the metal start getting red hot. But I don't have one of those quite yet, so this is the next best thing. And actually MAP gas, if you could get a hold of MAP gas instead of just straight propane, would also be a hotter alternative to this. So yeah, that's about that. Get it to where you like it, to where you don't have ginormous gaps, I guess, on each side. And then just weld it up. And that is done. So that's not so horrible. That didn't take very long. Bam. And now it won't be as weak. Alright, all done. Painted up. Now it for sure won't break. Just gotta do the other side, and I can throw them on for the last time, hopefully. I've had these things on and off quite a bit. But that's that. On to the next one. Alright guys, just a little update here at work. I am cutting the holes for my blow-off valve and my intercooler piping. Just using a hole saw here. Just got done cutting that. And take it over here. I'm gonna weld this onto there. First I gotta notch this out a little bit to match the profile of the tube. So I'm gonna do that real quick.